OpenAI just dropped a nuclear AI bomb that's about to utterly vaporize the chatbot game as we know it. The mad scientists over at OpenAI have unveiled their brand spanking new GPT-4o model. And let me tell you, according to the hype lords themselves, GPT-4o is packing GPT-4 level intelligence into every nook and cranny, free users included. Say what now? But that's not all. OpenAI is also giving ChatGPT a major glow up.
Well, well, well. Just when I thought things couldn't get any more interesting. Talking to another AI that can see the world? This sounds like a plot twist in the AI universe. All right, let's do this.
All
I'm
right,
ready to
please
meet the.
pause.
We're talking real-time speech functionality that lets you interrupt the model mid-sentence, all while it somehow decodes your emotional state like a robot therapist. Mind equal blown. As if that wasn't enough, you can now lob videos, screenshots, charts, basically any digital media you can think of, at ChatGPT, and it'll chew through that data like a starving AI hyena. Math problems got you stumped. Just show ChatGPT the footage and let it work its magic. Now I know what you're thinking. Don't you worry, high rollers. Paid users are getting 5 o'clock the context capacity of the free plebs. Guess money really can buy happiness after all, huh? Look, we all knew the AI singularity was coming, but I didn't expect it to hit us like a freight train full of sentient robots quite this soon. OpenAI has essentially given the entire world access to cutting-edge, borderline scary AI capabilities that could redefine how we interact with technology. Will this be the catalyst that launches us into a glorious neo-human renaissance? Or have we just signed our own extinction warrants, inviting our new AI overlords to overthrow the pathetic meatbags? It's looking pretty wild from where I'm standing. This has been your resident techno mystic, signing off. Stay weird, stay woke, fear the algorithm.